Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good week. So far, everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing to do today, coming from 8sleep.com. The smart mattress. The future of sleep is here. This is going to be the queen size pod um, mattress with the heating and cooling. Right now, we're just waiting on the white glove service. They should be here in a few seconds. I'm going to show you when they get here right now. Just want to let you know that they're on the way, and we're going to do the unboxing, review, and all that good stuff throughout this video. So definitely excited for this mattress. This is supposed to be the premium of mattresses right now, so definitely worth checking into. And like I said, I'll leave the links down below so you guys could take a look when you guys have free time. And here they come. I can see them coming around the corner. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, they just showed up right here at the white glove service. Gonna be pulling out the mattress in a second. Pretty exciting stuff. Stay tuned for more. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. The future of bedding right here. This is so comfortable, really cool to set up. Man, it's so soft. Great feels for this mattress. This is the Pod 8 Sleep queen size. You guys could make a purchase. All you gotta do is click the link down below and check it out. They got Cali King, Full, and the Queen is right here. Look at this. It's amazing. 8 Sleep. Got the little one stitched in there. Got the nice turquoise blue lining around the edges. And nice gray to it. And here is this thing right here. Kind of looks like a desktop, but it's really quiet. It's the air conditioning unit and the heat source where it comes out. And the grid's inside here, inside your mattress. And right now I have it set at -4, and it is really cold. So definitely get a good night's sleep if you like it cold. But I like it warm, so I'm going to have it heat on tonight. But here we go. It comes with the hose. Hose around there. Just plug it in. I had the white glove service, so they did the unboxing, and they did it really fast. So I wish I could record, but they wanted their privacy, so couldn't record them doing that. But here we go. And this is a water jug right here. It should be good. It's right there. It's full. And the first step, once you there you go. Fill it the first time. When you do the steps, it will drain it really fast. So it takes about like an hour and a half tops. But it seems faster, so I don't know. But definitely really cool, that part. Here's that. But mattress, really comfortable. Really impressed. I'll be doing a full review probably middle of June. So like another couple weeks. And here's the app for the Android or iOS 8 Sleep app. So you're right there set to -4 all the way to -10. And same with the heat all the way up to 10. And setup was really easy. You can have different sounds to make you sleep better at night. So we got that one. And the settings. And if you have your partner, male or female, this all you gotta do is invite, ask for email, and then it'll put their email invite in, and you'll have it both running. Or maybe you could do 2 separate emails, your business or your personal email account. You have them running on yourself, which I might be doing. But you can adjust the brightness of the hub. That's full. That's the light down at the bottom. But it's so quiet though. And like I said, really comfortable. You can pair it up with Alexa. This is the latest update. But I'm telling you though, this is amazing technology they got out. And the stats, this is really cool too. I don't sleep much, so like today was 30 minutes. Average is about 3 hours and 1 minute. I get about 3 hours of sleep. Today, see, there's my today wake up, an average 7:57. Takes me usually a minute, average about 47 minutes. And it tells you the time you leave bed, sleep details, out of bed. Sorry about the shake. There you go. And then there's your heart rate, average, respiratory, average room temperature, or the bed surface would be 86 degrees, 87. But like I said, I usually have it up 10. Sometimes it reached 100. That was pretty comfy. So it all depends on your preference of sleep comfort. So, but definitely check them out, YouTubers, when you guys got some free time. Eat Sleep. Link will be down below. And in case I do, like I said, have any coupons or discount codes, they'll be listed down below. But they usually run sales, so it'll be listed in link. YouTubers, thank you guys for watching. Be safe. Have a great weekend. I think this is another zipper to change also. But yeah, it's really easy to hook up. And it's super comfortable. Definitely get a good night's sleep on this. But really cool. The water I showed you. Like I said, just fill it up, pop it in, twist, and let it go. And then I just got to rearrange the wires. But they did a good job with the white glove. And they took out the box and they threw it out. So definitely thank you guys at 8 Sleep for sending me this new pod. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Have a good weekend and see ya.